through into the top 10 as well. Brilliant start by the man second in the World Championship. Into the first corner, Arbolino all into the top 5 as well. From 7th place, good start by the Italian aggressive